Hi folks, my name is Mary. I'm with Guaranty in Junction City. This is a Sonic by Venture and it's a 2015, so I'd like to show you around inside. So as you come in here, you see that there's adequate space for a small family. You've got this table right here that rotates, moves in and out. You can easily put this outside just to kind of have a picnic outside. So you've got a makeshift table here and you've got a picnic table. You've got a nice queen size bed here with storage on both sides. Then you have this partition right here which can close off this as a bedroom, or you can keep it all open. This couch can be moved into a bed, so you can have some kids extra sleeping there. Nice big window right here to the side. And then as you come around here, you've got your cook stove, you've got 2 burners here. This is a convection microwave oven. Then you've got your sink here with this extra counter space, lots of storage here, and this one is really big too. This is very deep back in here, and the same on the other side. And then if you can look up here, you've got your TV, extra storage right here. And you've got your, I'll let you kind of come in here and look at the bathroom. A nice shower, like, you know, here with this structure. And then you've got your bathroom with extra storage up top. And then as we come over here, the refrigerator. If you have questions about this 2015 Venture, please call me. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. Thanks.